Good morning students. So students, today we are going to continue chapter number 3 from pages 39 to 41. So students, let's begin. Now see, in the previous video we have learned that Gopal dressed himself in a very odd way and went out for the market, and his wife was thinking that he has gone mad. So let's see what happens next. Now see, Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Now see, you can see this is Gopal and he has purchased the hilsa fish and it is in his right hand and he is walking towards the palace. See, everybody is looking at him in so wonder because he has dressed himself in such a odd manner. Okay, now see the next picture. He must be a madman. So what people are talking behind him when he is walking towards the palace with the hilsa fish? Maybe he is a mad person. हो सकता है ये पागल आदमी है. Hush, I think he is a mistake. So somebody is saying he is a mistake. Okay, now see the next picture. When Gopal reached the court, see now he has finally reached the palace and the guards are standing here. Let's see what happens. What do you want? They are asking him. What do you want? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? I want to see the king. So he is telling that I want to meet the king. I want to see the king. Okay. You can't see the king. Get away with you. जाओ अपने आप को यहाँ से लेके बाहर जाओ. तुम king से नहीं मिल सकते हो. You cannot meet the king. Okay. Now Gopal says, Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. So when the guards told that you cannot meet the king, go away from here, then what did Gopal did? He started to sing. Okay. Now see students what happens next on page number 40. Inside the palace, what happened? This is the king. The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. So the king from inside the palace, he can hear the conversation between the guard and the Gopal. That the guards are telling that you go away from here. Let's throw him at once. And Gopal is demanding that let me go inside. I want to meet the king. Now see what the king says. Bring that man to me at once, because from such a long time the king was hearing all the conversation, and he called the guard and he asked him that bring that person, let me see who is he. So yes, your majesty. The guard says okay, majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. See, you can see Gopal is having the fish and he has come to the king, and all the courtiers standing in the court, they identified Gopal, and what they are saying, it's Gopal. अरे ये तो गोपाल है. See now what they are talking about him. The man has lost his mind. इसने अपना दिमाग खराब हो गया, दिमाग खो गया. He has gone mad. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. So others, what did others commented? That I think he is joking. Maybe इसका ये कोई और एक मजाक होगा. Okay, so let's see the next page, students. All right, Gopal. Out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? So what did the king ask to Gopal? Okay, now you tell me why you are इतने अलग से तुमने ड्रेस क्यों किया, इतने ridiculous way में तुमने कपड़े क्यों पहने हैं? Who tells? The king tells to Gopal. Now what did Gopal replies to the king? Your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. So he is saying that I think you have forgotten something. Gopal is saying to the king, आप कुछ भूल गए हैं, शायद आपको याद नहीं है आपने मुझे क्या बोला था. Forgotten something? So the king is wondering, what have I forgotten? What is he talking about? Okay, now see. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in hilsa fish today. Okay. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about hilsa fish. So now Gopal finally told that I have purchased a hilsa fish, and in the market nobody asked me about the hilsa fish. Now from the market I have come to the court. Even in the court also, not a single courtier, not a single person asked me about the Hilsa fish. Okay. Only then did the king remember his challenge and had thrown Okay, so now the king finally understood. He remembered that yes, he has challenged Gopal that he should buy a Hilsa fish and nobody should talk to him about the Hilsa fish, and neither he should talk, and he has to bring that Hilsa fish to the palace. So Gopal tells him everything, that he has brought the fish and nobody talked to him. Ha 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 ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. So the king is so happy and he congratulates to Gopal and tells him that yes, I remember the challenge. You have again won. Okay. Okay, students, let's do filling the blanks given on page number 42. Sorry, true, false. See the first question. The king lost his temper easily. True. Second one, Gopal was a madman. False. Gopal was a clever man. True. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. False. The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. False. Come to the next page. Now see, you have to write the reason here. The first one is done for you. You will do this in book only. Let's do the second one. Gopal's wife asked him why his face was half shaven. Okay. I accept the challenge, your majesty. Third one. Gopal told the king that he accepted the challenge. I want to see the king. Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king. So these are the same meanings in the question and answer. Bring the man to me at once. The king ordered the guard to bring the man to him at once. Now students, 5 questions are given on page number 42. Let's do this question answers. Now see students, question number 1. Why did the king want to know more? टॉक अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश. किंग क्यों नहीं चाहते थे कि अब हिल्सा फिश के बारे में कोई बात करे. ओके. एवरीवन अराउंड द किंग वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिल्सा फिश. दिस हैड इन्फ्यूरिएटेड द किंग, सो ही डिडंट वांट एनीवन टू टॉक अबाउट the Hilsa fish. So everybody was talking in the court and in the market and everywhere about the Hilsa fish. So the king got irritated about the Hilsa fish and he wanted no one to talk further about that fish. Okay, question number 2. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? Okay, किंग ने गोपाल को क्या करने कहा जिससे ये साबित हो कि गोपाल क्लेवर है. The king asked Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish from the market and to ensure that no one should talk to him about the fish on the entire way from the market to the palace. तो किंग ने गोपाल को बोला एक आप फिश खरीद के, बड़ा सा हिल्सा फिश खरीद के ले आओ और ध्यान रहे कि मार्केट और पैलेस तक आने तक ये ध्यान रखना है कि कोई भी आपसे हिल्सा फिश के बारे में बात ना करे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What 3 things did Gopal do before he went to buy हिल्सा फिश? तो गोपाल ने कौन सी 3 चीजें की हिल्सा फिश खरीदने जाने के पहले? आंसर, गोपाल हाफ शेव्ड. ठीक है. हिज फेस स्मीयर्ड ऐश ऑन हिज बॉडी हिमसेल्फ. पूरी छाई लगा ली एंड वो रक्स बिफोर गोइंग out to buy Hilsa fish. Okay. Now students, see question number 4. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? So Gopal started singing and dancing in front of the palace at a loud voice. The king heard the noise and asked the man to be brought inside. तो वो क्या करने लगा, जब गार्ड्स उसको अंदर नहीं जाने दिए तो गोपाल डांस और सिंगिंग करने लगा खूब जोर जोर, और किंग ने खुद ही बोला कि इस आदमी को ले आओ अंदर. Question 5. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में ये बताना है कि जो फिश गोपाल हिल्सा फिश ले आया, कोई इंटरेस्टेड क्यों नहीं था उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए. आंसर, नो वन वॉज इंटरेस्टेड अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश गोपाल हैड बॉट बिकॉज ऑफ गोपाल्स कंडीशन. ही वॉज वियरिंग रग्स, हिज फेस वॉज हाफ शेवन and ash was smeared over his body. People were more interested in his appearance than the fish. तो गोपाल ने अपने आप को ऐसे ड्रेस किया था कि लोगों को ज़्यादा ये इंटरेस्ट हो गया देखने में कि क्या ये आदमी पागल है, इस तरह से इसने तैयार हुआ है, और सभी फिश को देखना या उसके बारे में पूछना इग्नोर कर गए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडेज योर होम असाइनमेंट इज टू write these question answers in your fair notebooks and learn them. Thank you.